The roof is the final piece that brings a home together, and it's also one of the most important design decisions you can make. It shapes the silhouette and can even define the character of the home before you ever step inside. In this video, we're going over 7 different roof styles, all by the designers at Planner 5D. Before we dive in, please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. All right, let's get started. When you open your project, head to the Build category. From there, select Forms and choose the Magic Cube. Adjust the dimensions so it's slightly larger than the room, then raise the levitation so it sits on top of the room. From there, you can customize it however you'd like. Flat roofs create a clean, modern look with simple lines. They're especially popular in contemporary and urban designs and work well for rooftop or outdoor spaces. In the Build category, head to the Roofs catalog and select any roof you'd like to use for your terrace or patio. Adjust the size and levitation until it sits correctly. Terrace roofs turn the roof into usable space, which is common in city and multi-unit designs. They feel practical and modern, and are great for outdoor areas like patios. This next roof involves a few more steps. In the Roof catalog, start with a single slanted roof, or use the Magic Cube if you want a thicker look. Align the lowest slant to one side of the ceiling, making sure to have a bit of overhang. If the slant ends up being lower than the ceiling, just raise the levitation. Once it's in place, go back to the catalog and add the vertical triangular piece to continue the structure. Scale and duplicate it as needed, then use a Magic Cube to fill the front opening. You'll want it to be the same depth as the triangular pieces. A shed roof uses a single sloped plane, giving the home a modern architectural look. It's simple but bold and works especially well for contemporary designs. This dormer roof is super easy to create. In the Roof catalog, you'll find a roof option that works perfectly for this style. Once it's fitted, add dormer windows to give the roof its signature look. There are quite a few options to choose from, so you shouldn't have any issues finding one that fits your style. A dormer roof features vertical window extensions that project from a sloped roof. It adds natural light and character and works especially well in classic or traditional homes. For this roof, we're creating 2 perpendicular shed roofs. It's the same process as before, but with an extra piece added in between to act as a divider. If your roof is ever too steep, you can just use the height setting to tailor it to your needs. Since we want these roofs to be perpendicular, we'll select the Flip Vertically option to mirror the starting roof. A double shed roof layers 2 sloped planes together, adding depth and visual interest. It's a modern option that creates a dynamic roofline without feeling too complex. Back in the Roof catalog, look for the Jerkinhead roof. This is the one with a hip roof at the end of the gable. Adjust it to size, then add a triangular piece to finish the gable. For this design, we're taking it a step further by adding a bump-out addition on the second floor. Next, we'll go back and adjust the lower roof to be a bit taller. Then we'll finish it off by using a smaller Jerkinhead roof. A Jerkinhead roof blends a gable roof with subtle hip elements, creating clipped ends at the top. It feels balanced and timeless, and is often used in traditional or European-style homes. And finally, the easiest roof to create. Start with a classic gable roof, then lower the levitation to 0 and scale it to the size you want. To change the underside material, simply duplicate the roof and stack it on top. Then select the bottom portion of the roof to change its color. The A-frame roof is bold and instantly recognizable, with steep slopes that extend all the way down. It's often used in cabins or vacation homes, creating a cozy, dramatic interior. Let us know in the comments which roof you're most excited to use in your own designs. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!